guys, it is me, Simone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own detail blending sticks. So sorry for the weird angle, but I still haven't mounted my camera yet, still moving into a new room. So the things you're going to need is a wooden dowel. I don't know how thick this wood dowel is. Let me get the whole thing and see if I can figure out. Okay. Yep, 3/8. So I have this really long 3/8 inch wooden dowel. You can get these from the hardware store. I know Hobby Lobby has them for like less than 50 cents. They're very long, and you just need to cut them down. The detail blending tools from Ranger are 3 7/8 long, and I think 3/8. I think it's 3/8 brown dowels. Okay, so that's what you need, and you're gonna cut it down. You're gonna need foam. You either have a choice. You can use the Ranger foam, or I think this is very similar to like cushion foam. I just cut it down. Or you can use makeup sponges. It doesn't really matter. I'm using makeup sponges because these are really soft ones that I got. And you're going to need some fabric glue. I'm using the Fabric Tack because this glues fabric, wood, and other things like that. So let me show you what you're going to do. You're going to get your dowel and you cut it and make sure that the dowel is straight, and you get your foam and some scissors. It's very simple. Cut it. I'm cutting little pieces so I can do both sides at the same time. Make sure I can fit those on without the crack. Okay, I'll move this up here. Then I'm going to get the glue. And this glue is, make sure I'm applying a nice layer. Put that on the foam. Do the other side. Cap back on. And then adding a little bit of pressure to it just so the glue adheres better. A bit of pressure. Oh no, I didn't avoid the slit. There's a slit right there. Oh no. I should have moved it over a little bit, but it's okay. And then you're going to keep adding your pressure until the glue dries. Just make sure it's glued down and let it rest. After you do that, you're going to get your thing and cut it. And just cut it in a circle. This is by no means a perfect circle, so if you're the kind of person who needs like a perfect circle, keep doing it. But I just got really sharp scissors. These scissors are from AliExpress or eBay. They're very sharp, and I just did small snips and went around to make it as circular as possible. And then with these detailed blending tools, you can get your ink. I'm using some Distress ink, and if I wanted to, do I have any extra stencils next to me that are clean? I'm telling you, like, not prepared at all. Okay, let's see. Let me get like a stencil or something. Okay, so I can get a stencil. Right, and then I can get my ink and I basically have fun blending. I know I choose the wrong color, I choose a yellow color, but you're not gonna really see it. But let me try a different color, darker color, one that you can see a lot better. I use a Bannon Coral. That was gosh, what color was that? Scatter Straw. So let me put my stencil back on and get another color. And blend this out. There we go. And then you can do little circles of blending with the extra. And they blend really nice. So you can see that better. And so you can get really good details with your little blending tools and use them on detailed stencils or adding detail to your stamps. Doesn't really matter. I just want to show you guys this video to help you guys out. And I made all of these. Well, I already had makeup sponges on hand. I actually had all my tools on hand because I was gonna do this a while ago, like when it first came out. But literally cost nothing really. You can go to like Dollar Tree and get some makeup sponges if you want to. And the dowels are like less than 50 cents. Any kind of glue work. You can use tacky glue if you want to. I just had this one and I wanted to give it a chance. And since this one can get wet, tacky glue cannot get wet. It's much better if you want to rinse these off and clean them. So any nice, fabric glue work for this. So I would love to see what you guys make, and I hope you enjoy this video and got some cool inspiration. Much love, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Get crafty.